Unit 8, Transportation. Part 1. Listen to the dialogue and repeat.
Where is the boat?
It is on the sea.
Part 2. Listen and repeat.
Car, ship, bus, bike, train, plane, boat, motorcycle, helicopter.
Part 5. Listen to the dialogues and complete.
Where is the plane?
It's there. It's in the air.
Where is the boat?
It's there. It's on the sea. Where is the car?
It's here. It's on the road.
Where is the motorcycle?
It's there. It's on the road.
Part 7. Listen to the dialogue and repeat.
Excuse me, how can I go to the museum?
You can go by bus.
Where is the bus?
It's there.
Part 8. Listen to the dialogues and match. There is one extra. 1. How can I go to Istanbul?
You can go by plane.
2.
How can I get to the park?
You can go by bike.
3.
How can I go to the zoo? You can take a train.
4.
How can I get to school?
You can go by car.
5.
How can I go to the museum?
You can take a bus.
Part 10. Listen and sing the song.
Where is the ship? Where is the ship? It is on the sea, on the sea. Where is the car?